Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chisom. I'm from Nigeria but living here in Poland. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for coming and thank you for watching. Please like, comment and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back here to watch my videos. I love you so much. On today's video, I want to talk about dating sites. So on today's video, I want to talk about mistakes people make on dating sites. Without wasting much of your time, let me just go straight to the point. I don't want anything that would distract me or make me forget what I want to say. Even if it's just 3 things, make sure you grab it and make sure you share to other people, because I've gotten a lot of questions, people asking what to do, how do you pray, how do you talk to them, how do you ask them questions, what is the first thing to say, what is the first thing to do, how do you go about it. So on this video, you will learn 1 or 2 things. So I see a lot of people make mistakes about pictures, profile pictures on dating sites. My sister, profile picture can hinder you from finding your perfect match. Do you know why? A lot of people use Snapchat filters and Snapchat pictures on dating sites, which is very, very wrong. You know, Snapchat will change you. Sometimes it will change your lips, it will change your eye color, like the color of your eyes, the color of your hair, and the color of your skin even. Sometimes you will have pimples and rashes, and these filters will cover up everything. So how will you feel when you put this clear, smooth, beautiful picture that does not even look anything like you? You put it out there, then someone will contact you and you bring the person to WhatsApp, only for the person to call you on video call and see a complete different person. So I will advise, don't put Snapchat pictures on your profile on dating sites. Rather, make sure you put your real self, wash your face, moisturize your face, wear a clean, good hair, or wear your natural hair, put on just lip gloss, so that when the person call you on video call, they will know that, oh, this is the person that I'm talking to. This is the highest mistake our girls make on dating sites. They look different from what they put out there. This is the number 1 mistake. So make sure you put a clear and lovely picture with nice background, okay? So let's talk about number 2. Like, some girls are born in all the months, all the 12 months. They are born in January, February, March. You know what I mean? You go to dating sites and you put March as your birth month. Then when they call you on WhatsApp or chat you on WhatsApp, you will say July. How will they not disappear? How will they not run away from you? Because you are a liar, or maybe you are not who you said you are. So you have to put your exact date and correct date. They don't care, even if you are old, even if you are ugly. Once they are attracted to you, they are attracted to you. There's nothing you can do about it. They love you for who you are. Understand? So you always have to say the truth about yourself. Put out information that is true, so that you will not change mouth. Maybe you are talking to more than 2 men. You will tell this one March and you will forget that you told him March. You told this one January and you will forget that you told this one January. You will lie and they will disappear and block you. And some girls will come and say, "Dad, he blocked me, or I didn't do anything, he blocked me. He just disappeared. He's just stopped answering my questions. He's just stopped replying my messages." Have you asked yourself, what did I do wrong? Yes, your birth date can hinder you also. Another thing I want to talk about dating sites, mistake we make. Once you want to have your first video call with a guy you started talking to, when you talk to them on dating site, you bring them to WhatsApp and they eventually want to call you on video call and see you, make sure you cover your cleavage. Because once you show him something to see, it will divert his attention. He will start saying, oh, I like what I see. Oh, you look sexy. Oh, can you bring down the camera? Can I see more? Can you send me sexy pictures? You are the cause. Look, let me tell you, you can even wear turtleneck. Once he said, can I call you? Yes, rush and wear turtleneck. Or put a scarf. Make sure you cover your cleavage. Don't stick out your tongue. All those things that will make him, lost after you. Don't do it. Make sure you look decent, cover yourself well, and talk to him in a manner that he will not even have any room to go to that side. You understand? He will not even bring that type of topic. If you start a conversation with a guy, please don't ask him, when are you coming? Have you been to Nigeria? Do you have any plans of coming? Are you looking for a serious relationship? All those things scare men away. Be friends first. Chat each other, talk, make video calls, Let him be the one to ask or talk about it. Don't run faster than your shadow. Don't go about asking him those things. It will make him disappear. So when you meet a guy, try to know him. Ask him, what's your name? What's your favorite food? What's your hobby? What do you like? What do you like doing? What do you do for fun? What kind of music do you like? Do you have family? You know what I mean? Ask him good and nice question, and also tell him good things about yourself. What you like doing, where you like going, what you do with your time, what you do for fun. You can also communicate these things. And before you know it, it will lead to a meaningful relationship. This is another point. The next point I want to talk about is, don't let these men waste your time. Once they start saying, show me more, bring down camera, do this, do that, they don't even want to know who you are. They only want to know about your body, or about how you feel, or feel about sex, or what you want to do on the camera. My sister, run. You don't have to give this person a chance to waste your time. Another thing I want to talk about is, don't block people. Don't block people. They might change their mind, they might repent, okay? So don't block people. Sometimes pray about it. Don't block, just keep them there. Even if you don't want to chat them, don't block them. Blocking people is a very big mistake, because you might even block the right person. You understand? Someone might just want to tease you or joke with you, and then you block the person. Don't block people. Another thing I want to talk about is, if you're on dating sites or you want to register on dating sites, please state your mission. Hello, my name is Chisom. I am here to find true love. I am not here to waste anyone's time. Okay, you can write, I'm looking for a serious relationship. You can write, please, I don't send nudes. This is what I wrote. I don't send nudes. I wrote it. I am only here for true love. Okay, then put the age bracket of the type of man you want. Don't go and put 30, 20, 25. All those ones are not serious, so they will waste your time. It's just few of them that are serious. You can put, if you are 25, you can put at least 30. If you are 30, you can put at least 40, 45. Okay, so you don't have to be 45 and you go and look for a 25 years old boy. The boy will mess you up. He will not be serious. Most of them are not even finished with life. They want to flex. They want to flirt with every woman. So make sure you go higher in age. You know what I mean? Maybe 5 years age gap, 10 years age gap. It is okay for me, because I've once dated a youngie, like a 29 years old boy from America, and it didn't go well. So make sure you put the age of the man you want, so that it's not everybody that will come and message you or talk to you. So let me stop here. I will continue next time. but make sure you apply these things I tell you, and I assure you, you will come out smiling. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you watch this far, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to comment and like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you so much. I hope you are doing well. I will see you next time. Bye.